January 2025. And there's a new Lookfantastic The Edit. So this is arrived like, it had my thing on it, but this is how it arrived, and it's got a hole. I wish they'd put it in a box and then I wouldn't have to show it looking all scruffy like that, would I? But anyway, this is the January box. Shall we take a look inside and see what's in there? Okay, here's what's inside. Got the usual advert things, and then there's what it looks like in there. So let's take a look. What have we got? A little spray. What's this? Pore, your gorgeous skin hydrating face mist. I love a hydrating face mist, so I'm happy with that. And how much does it say that's worth? I've got the details here, because I don't think they do. They used to do a QR code, but I don't think they're doing them anymore. So I've got to get it up on the screen here. So this is worth £12.50, and it's 50ml deluxe size, they're calling it. So it's a 50ml deluxe size for £12.50. That's what that would be worth. Let's have a look at it. Make sure I'm not spraying it the wrong way. See if it's got a smell. I can smell something very, very slight. It says papilloyura. It's there, look. Hyaluronic. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and neroli flower. That's what it says on there. So I don't know if that's just something they're calling it. Papiluronic. So it says papiluronic, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and neroli flower. So that is that, and I will like using that. I love face mists, love it. Very happy to have that. Next, what should we look at? This thing here. This is Sunbum SPF 30 lip balm, 4.25 grams, and this is, oh, it says flavour may vary, and it's worth £4.99. I could do with a lip balm. This is pomegranate. So I've got a pomegranate one. I don't know what other flavours there are. Yeah, it does smell nice, and it's nice and very thin. Oh, that's nice. And it says it's got hyaluronic acid in it, so beautiful. Shall I put a bit on? I have got lipstick on, but oh wow. Wow, I'm glad I put that on and tried it. Wow. That's got a lot of flavour, and it's very, very slippy and juicy. That's really nice. I like that. So that's by Dr. Pore. So that's good. I haven't got one of those stick balm things. So what should we look at next? I think I know what this is. I've had this a lot lately. Is this? Yeah, it is. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. And this is worth, it's a deluxe size 40ml, and it's worth £12.50. Right, directions. So this is one of those pre-shampoo things. And it says, before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and applying sections. Work into hair with fingertips. Cover with a shower cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. The longer the better. Rinse well. So I know that's very, very popular. A lot of people like these. What's it smell like? I don't think they have a lot of smell, do they? I'm trying to waft it up at me. I can't smell anything much. Might be because I've got this lip balm on. So yeah, there's that. That's £12.50. And then what have we got next? I think I recognise this thing. I might have got a little one of these. Perfect Legs Body Butter by This Works, and this is 30ml, and this is worth £10. Wow, I think this is a tinted thing, isn't it? So I'll just open it. Oh, it is clear. Oh, this is different. This is different from the other one I got. The other one was tinted. So, does that smell? It feels nice. What does that remind me of? Oh, it really reminds me of something. Some spa thing. When I've been in a spa, I think. Wow, I really, really like it. It makes me feel happy because it reminds me of being in the spa. It says a mood boosting body moisturiser with geranium and sweet orange essential oils. I really like that. And it says to massage into legs and body. And that's it. And it's supposed to give you perfect legs. It smells beautiful. What is it reminds me of? There's like some other product that reminds me of. Really nice, that is. I'm pleased to have that. And then what have we got? I think there's a couple of little sample things in here. What's this? Oh, it's Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye. Temporary Eye Tightener. Oh, instantly tightens and firms the look of under eye puffiness. So that's a little sample. So I don't think... Oh, it is on there. Oh, this is worth £9. That's 5ml and it's worth £9. And that's got a seal, but I'm going to open it. Let's have a look at it, because I'll use it. I love eye things. Where can I put it? Because I had something here, didn't I? Come on, out you come. Oh, it's like a gel thing. I don't know if you can see it here. Oh, it's very slippy. That'll go far. So this 5ml will last quite a while. And it feels really nice. Does it have a smell? It does have a slight smell, and I like it. Because I can smell my hand, but I'm wondering, what did I have on it already? I might have had something already on. Oh, I think I had this on it, but that didn't have much smell. So that might be the smell. It smells nice, that does. And then we've got a couple more little things here. What have we got here? Lancôme Genifique Serum Sachet 1ml, and that's not factored into the price. I've had loads of this. It's good. It's like a watery serum. I say it's good, like it doesn't do anything terrible to my skin, but I don't know what it does do either. But it's fine for a serum anyway. So I'll use that up. And then the last thing I can see is Elemis. And oh yeah, Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've had that before and I love it. My husband bought me a full size one year for Christmas, I think it was, or birthday. It was around that time. And how much is this little one worth? This one is 10ml deluxe size and it's worth £7. And I love it. I'll open it up and show you. It just looks like that, a balm. It has got a nice smell, but I can't smell it right now because I think you've got to touch it. Shall I touch it? And now I can smell it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think it's got eucalyptus in it. I remember really enjoying that when my husband got me that. So I'm really pleased to have that little one. This was a good box. I was tempted to stop getting the box delivered, but that was a good box. So I'm happy with that box. That's my favourite product, I think. And I really like that. And I really like that. I like all of them. I must say I'm a bit bored by that because I've had a few of them already. But it's a good product. And this, I like the slip, but it's going in my mouth. You know when you get it all in your mouth? I don't know if I like it. because of the taste in my mouth. But I like the consistency. It's very hydrating. Maybe I'll like it more when I haven't got a lipstick on. I'll have to try and see what I think of it. I'm not that keen on that at the moment, but the rest of it I love, and I'll use that. So yeah, that was January's box. I nearly stopped subscribing then, but I just wish that they would send that out in a better looking box, because I remember these boxes used to be really nice, like with a lid and a pretty colour, and they were inside another box, but now they're just arriving like this. But I think they're very popular because my postman turned up and he was talking to my husband on the doorstep. He was talking to him and he said he'd had 50 of these to deliver, and that's just in our area, isn't it? So yeah, I think these are very popular, these boxes. They're very good value for money. So yeah, I think I just pay £13 a month because I've got the 12 month one. You might as well get the 12-month one because you can cancel whenever you want and you get it the best price then. So that's what I did. And you get your delivery, next day delivery on anything that you buy from Lookfantastic. You get that for free if you subscribe to this box. So you don't have to wait for your things. You don't have to pay extra to get it delivered quick. So I thought that was really good. But yeah, that's the only thing. I'm bummed out by the box. Come on now. I want it better than that. I want it to like look nice when I hold it up. Doesn't look nice, does it? But what's inside is what matters. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you again with February's box. Bye.